Hello friends, today we are going to prepare some delicious chicken milanesas with ingredients that you have at home. What are going to select the following chicken milanesas? Vegetables or breadboards. We are going to put the chicken milanesas in the pan after having placed vegetable in and feed. For this, the first thing to do is bread the chicken milanesa with egg and breadcrumbs. Once the ingredients thin the whole in the easy hot. In the pan so that cook properly. We are very careful when turning the chicken on both sides. We proceed to ingredient them into the oil that is hot in the pan so that they cook.
Two thousand years later.
We are very careful when turning the chicken on both sides. We proceed to remove it from the pan and that it with high and delicious chicken milanesas to eat.